In 1911, ornithologists in North America noticed something peculiar. Birds, once predictable in their migratory patterns, began arriving earlier and leaving later. This shift puzzled scientists. Was it a sign of climate change? As temperatures rose, food sources altered, forcing birds to adapt. By 2020, the Arctic Tern, known for its epic journey from pole to pole, faced dwindling ice. How would this affect their survival? Could these changes ripple through ecosystems? The answer lies in our actions today. To learn more about these incredible journeys, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.